This started as a living dream. I saw it together with my son, my oldest son, that very small car, and I don't even know the brand. All I know is it is Miata. But of course, I was so young then. My priority is children's education and everything. But the dream remained with me.
The thing that I gained most since I started driving a Mazda is gaining more friends. Since starting the All Mazda Car Club Mazda Tech 20 years ago, I've come to meet more people, not just Mazda owners, but a lot of other persons involved with cars from different sides of the industry.
It paved the way for me to have a new family. So I met my husband in the car club, and I'm just so fortunate that I have met my husband who has the same passion for cars and the same passion for Mazda.
So my wish really is for Mazda to be there. Don't change. The technology, the service, the camaraderie, the friendship.
Although I won't be around for the bicentennial, I feel Mazda will still be going the unconventional route and continue to strive for excellence with the driver in mind while developing new technologies that would benefit the planet.
So for the next 100 years of Mazda, I can see that Mazda is actually basing its innovations not just on the needs of people, but on the wants of people. So we still celebrate driving after how many years after this?